When I am afraid, I put my trust in you. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. The Lord is with me, I will not be afraid. What can mere mortals do to me? Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Do not let your hearts be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. So, we say with confidence, the Lord is my helper, I will not be afraid. What can mere mortals do to me? But even if you should suffer for what is right, you are blessed. Do not fear their threats, do not be frightened. As a father has compassion on his children, so the Lord has compassion on those who fear him. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight. There is no fear in love, but perfect love drives out fear, because fear has to do with punishment. The one who fears is not made perfect in love. The Lord is my light and my salvation, whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life, of whom shall I be afraid? The Lord himself goes before you and will be with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged. For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. There is no fear in love, but perfect love casts out fear. For fear has to do with punishment, and whoever fears has not been perfected in love. We love because he first loved us. I sought the Lord, and he answered me. He delivered me from all my fears. For the Spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but gives us power, love and self-discipline. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives do I give to you. Let not your hearts be troubled, neither let them be afraid.
I hope you enjoyed these hopeful Bible verses about fear. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.